Hi everybody! I am at home at the farm for the weekend, and on the drive home I was thinking of how when we were growing up we would find the empty grain bins and sing really loud in them or just yell just to because the echo sounded so cool. And so I wanted to give all you city folk who didn't grow up on a farm a little demonstration. So we have ourselves an empty grain bin here, and if I can squeeze through the door, that'll be good. And here we go. Okay.